RGTI stock analysis and RGTI stock prediction. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So especially looking at Rigetti Computing stock, I'm looking to just double down and buy on it even more. With a 5.8% correction. That's how my chart's looking like. And I'm just so thrilled to announce that, I mean, yes, I'm still bullish, of course, but I'm not going to be pulling the trigger unless one thing happens. And having done 42,000 videos myself, I'm still going to stick to my edge that I know have tested and works. So here's that before. All right, at the time, I mean, it was sitting at 8. I was hoping to take it to 16. Just 2 months back. Since back then, you know, when we reached up 1532, which was very close to 16, came down, and I'm not letting go of just doubling down even more. So I'm saying that if there is a double break, I'm still looking to just double down buy. And if not, I guess I'm not going to be buying, which is quite simple. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.